Manganese on the left side is positive 7. On the right side, manganese is positive 4. On the left side, bromine is negative 1. On the right side, bromine is positive 5. So bromine went from negative 1 to positive 5, and that would be oxidation. And manganese went from positive 7 to positive 4. You become less positive by losing electrons or gaining electrons. Gaining electrons is reduction. So now let's set up our oxidation half reaction. And the reduction half reaction. Oxidation is bromine. Bromine on the left side is Br negative. Bromine on the right side is BrO3 negative. Okay. Bromine is already balanced. Next, oxygens, 3 right, 0 left, so we need 3 H2Os on the left. Next, we have 6 H's on the left, 0 on the right, so we need to add 6 H pluses. We are in base, so we have to neutralize the H pluses with OH minuses. We add 6 OH's to both sides. And finally, the charges on the left side, negative 1 minus 6, negative 7 versus negative 1. So we need to add 6 electrons on the right side. So we have negative 7 on the right and negative 7 on the left. Okay, that would be add up the left and the right, Br minus plus 3H2O plus 6OH minus. On the right side, we have BrO3 minus. 6H pluses and 6OH minuses make 6H2Os. 6 electrons. H2O is common to both sides, so I subtract 3 H2Os from both sides. So that goes. On the left we have Br minus plus 6 OH minuses. On the right side we have BrO3 minus plus 3 H2Os plus 6 electrons. And that is it for the oxidation half reaction. Now let's work on the reduction one. On the left side, manganese is MnO4 minus. On the right side, manganese is MnO2. Manganese is already balanced. Oxygens, 4 on the left, 2 on the right. So we need to add 2 H2Os on the right side. Next, oxygens or hydrogens, we have 4 on the right, 0 on the left, so we need to add 4 H pluses. We are in base, so we have to neutralize the H pluses with OH minuses. So I add 4 OH minuses to both sides. The charges on the left side, that's OH minus. Four OH minuses. The charges on the left side we have negative 1 total. On the right side we have negative 4. So we need to add 3 electrons to the left side. So we have negative 4 on the left and negative 4 on the right. Okay, add the left and the right terms. MnO4 negative, 4 H pluses plus 4 OH minuses make 4 H2Os plus 3 electrons. On the right side we have MnO2 plus 2 H2Os plus 4 OH minuses. H2O is common to both sides, so I subtract 2 H2Os from both sides. And that goes, and we are left with MnO4 minus plus 2 H2Os plus 3 electrons. Right side we have MnO2 plus 4 OH minuses. We have to make the electrons in oxidation equal to the electrons in reduction. So we multiply the reduction half reaction equation by 2 so that we get 6 electrons. This then becomes 2MnO4 minus plus 4H2O plus 6 electrons, 2MnO2 plus 8 OH minuses. Alright, so now we have to add all of the left terms and all of the right terms from both the oxidation and the reduction half reactions. So all left terms are Br minus plus 6 OH minus plus 2MnO4 minus plus 4H2O plus 6 electrons. On the right side we have BrO3 minus plus 3H2O plus 6 electrons plus 2MnO2 plus 8 OH minuses. And we have to simplify. 6 electrons is common to both sides, so minus 6 electrons minus 6 electrons. What else is common to both sides? OH minuses. I subtract 6 OH minuses from both sides. That goes minus 6 OH minuses. And H2O is also common, so I subtract 3 H2Os from both sides. And that one goes. So what we have left after simplifying is Br minus plus 2MnO4 minus plus just 1 H2O. And on the right side we have BrO3 minus plus 2MnO2 plus 2 OH minuses. And that completes the process.